What could be more enjoyable than the ability to make money online by simply clicking a button and watching a few brief movies? In this video, I'll demonstrate how you may start earning money online right now by watching tutorial videos like this and this, just like the others in this room who are from all over the world. For instance, you can start earning money online for free from anywhere in the world with just a phone and no prior expertise. In this video, I'll show you how to do it, so please pay great attention. Simply sign up for a free account and I'll show you the films that will pay you the most money and walk you through the process step by step so that you can start earning money and getting paid right away. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Therefore, first go to google.com and perform a search for Twitch TV, after which click the search button. The first link, Twitch TV, can be found right here. So I'd like you to click on it. Doing so will bring you to the website shown above, where you can see a number of channels and films that are all available for free viewing. As you can see, we will be generating a ton of money online from the great majority of these videos, which are almost all gaming related and exactly like the ones we'll be using. Look at this, $10, $20, $40, and even hundreds of dollars. But first, click the browse symbol at the top to be taken to this page, where you can browse the numerous genres of films the website has to offer. Since Fortnite is currently one of the most watched gaming videos, I'd like you to concentrate on those categories. You can access the Fortnite category on this page by clicking this category, which will take you there. You can see one in particular right here, which has 82 million followers. We can view all of the videos that we can watch and utilize to make money online if you scroll down below, because a lot of people have shown an interest in this category of videos. In order to move on to the next level, please visit the OK.io website, which is accessible here. Don't worry, this is an easy assignment, and in this video I'll explain how it functions in general. This is the website where we'll be watching short films like this, and as you can see, we can make a lot of money online. I'll now demonstrate how to create a free account on this website so you may shorten a lengthy URL link. If I want to copy something, I'll go back to this website, copy the video link, and then paste the Twitch TV URL right here. I'll then just shorten it by clicking this button right here. As you can see, here is a list of abbreviated links that this website offers, and by getting others to click on the short link right here, I may earn money online. How much I make depends entirely on who clicks on my link. I can get roughly $4 if a visitor from Germany clicks on my link. I will be able to get $10 if a user from United States click on my link. By sharing a video link like this one on the page, males from all over the world can make money online. If you look down below, we can see that depending on what country they're from and where they click on my link, I can make varied amounts of money. As you can see, the service is now being used to earn money online by over 627,000 users, and they accept a number of payment options, including PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfers. The only thing you have to do to make a free account is to go to the top of the website and click the sign up button. This will lead you to a page where you may register for a free membership. Enter your username, email address, and password right here, then click Confirm Password. Then click the Submit button after selecting I'm not a robot. As you can see from the image above, you may go into your new account right away to see how many users really click on your link and how much money you can make from this statistics page, which serves as your home page. You can see that the balance is still zero because this is a brand new account and no links have been shortened. But I'm going to give you a real-world example. First, return to Twitch TV and select the Fortnite category. There, you will see 3 videos. I'm currently clicking on this video as well as the first, second, and third videos that are all located right here. Therefore, as you can see, this is the first video I opened, followed by this one, and this one. I want you to take a screenshot of this video as we return to the original video. Scroll down and press the share button once more. use the copy button to return to your dashboard, which is located right here, where you can paste the twitch.tv URL and then press the shorten button. As you can see, this website will automatically shorten this link into one that is much more appropriate. I'll just copy and paste this finished script for you for the time being. You can copy and paste this, which is my Fortnite video post, into another document for free. Then we'll add the URLs to the 3 videos below and say something like, check this great Fortnite videos below. You can now earn money whenever someone clicks on your link. As an illustration, as you can see, I've pasted the shortened link directly beneath the original video. Here is my first URL link, which means that depending on the country from which someone clicks, I may receive a varied amount of money. I'll be able to earn $3 if people in Norway click on my link. By selecting the share button and copying the entire URL address, you can easily repeat the operation. We'll now return to our current and erase this link right here before copying and pasting the new URL from the second video. Click the shorten button after that and this website will let us automatically shorten the URL to this one. I'll copy this link, hit copy, then return to this template and paste a second link right here on video 2. In the third video, we'll finally scroll down to the bottom and click the share button to copy the video link, before pasting the new link for the third video into the condensed box. We'll go back to our account and remove everything. We'll come back to the script at this point and insert the third link exactly here. There are more to it, so I'll give you the complete template to copy and paste right away. After that, all you have to do is enter your 3 links in this space. Okay, on to the last section. Please visit forumpcgamer.com for more information. One of the reasons I adore this forum is because it is free and accessible from anywhere in the globe. It is a well-known site where people discuss various video game topics, including Fortnite videos. Many individuals are chatting and having discussions about games in this area. As you can see, the PC gaming conversation under general gaming has approximately 22,000 messages spread across more than 300 posts. As you can see, if I click on this link, it will lead you through these websites where we can find a variety of articles and creators of a rather straightforward piece that is attracting a lot of attention. As you can see, there have been 226,100 views, and this website offers a number of opportunities. Now, I can find a lot of discussions and conversations on Fortnite when I search for that keyword. Since there is now a lot of interest in gaming videos, over 82 million people are currently watching Fortnite videos on Twitch TV. For example, this thread is the ideal location to copy and paste this template and distribute it to other members of the community. You may make more money online the more people who click on your link, and that is exactly how all of the people on this page are able to make so much money online. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming videos and I'll see you there.